In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix unusual activity detected on ElevenLabs. So let's get started. So here I am in ElevenLabs. So to fix this is that you just simply need to clear the cache for your ElevenLabs site on your browser. So to do that, you would need to go into the settings of your browser. So if you're using Chrome, click here on the three dots on the top right, and now click on settings. Once you're here in the settings in your browser, go into privacy and security, and then go into site settings. In here, you would want to go into the sites right here. So you should now be able to see the view permissions and data stored across sites. And now you want to search here, ElevenLabs. And then you should have ElevenLabs.io. Just click here on the trash can icon to delete the cookies and tap on delete. Just take note that before you do this, you will be logged out of ElevenLabs and you might have to input your login details again. So if you can't afford to lose that just yet because you don't know the details, then I suggest that you think this through. But if that's no problem to you, click on delete and then go back in here into ElevenLabs, refresh the page. And if still doesn't work, you can try restarting your device and it should now fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.